If you've seen Winsleigh.com and you're wondering if it's actually legit, I'd be careful before spending any money. I looked into Winsleigh, and there are several red flags that stood out to me. First, the website is very new. The domain was registered in April 2026. That alone doesn't prove it's a scam, but it does mean there isn't much history to rely on. Then there's the trust score. Scam Advisor currently gives Winsleigh a very low trust score and labels the site as very likely unsafe. Scam Detector also gives it a low score of 15.8 out of 100. And there's more. Gridinsoft classifies Winsleigh as a suspicious shop. It also reports multiple security warnings and a very low trust score of 1 out of 100. That's a lot of warning signs for a website that wants you to enter your personal and payment information. Now, does this prove that Winsleigh is definitely a scam? Not necessarily. Automated scam checking websites can make mistakes. And a new website can sometimes have a low reputation simply because it hasn't been around long. But when several warning signs appear together, I personally wouldn't take the risk. My quick verdict? I would stay away from Winsleigh for now. I wouldn't place an order until there's stronger evidence that the company is trustworthy and customers are actually receiving what they paid for. So if you were thinking about buying from Winsleigh, I'd pause and do more research first.